News. You are watching Afternoon English News with Pavini. First, the headlines. The search for new Chief Minister of Manipur continues as BJP MLAs huddle for a meeting with BJP Northeast co-coordinators submit Patra at Imphal. CLP leader Okram Ibobi accuses Centre of humiliating Manipur and its people by removing Chief Minister just ahead of Assembly session. Rajya Sabha MP Sana Jaubal Shemba demands Centre to make necessary provisions to uplift socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuri people through proper implementation of Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. And irate locals locked down Thanga Primary Health Centre protesting against lack of doctors in the health centre. And now let's take a look at the news in detail. The search for new Chief Minister is on, with BJP Northeast coordinators Sambit Patra holding separate meetings with BJP MLAs at Hotel Imphal since yesterday, amid public speculation on how will become the new Chief Minister following the resignation of unbidden as Chief Minister. Meanwhile, speaking to media, former Forest and Environment Minister Thongam Bishwajit clarified that the meeting was not a convene to discuss about who will be the new Chief Minister, but rather to discuss about restoring normalcy in the state. On the other hand, NPF State President and former Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai reiterated that their party's decision to support BJP party. It may be mentioned that NPF backed the second term of former Chief Minister Biden-led government. Meanwhile, the NPP, which had previously withdrawn its support from Biden-led government, also expressed its willingness to support the BJP government provided that BJP selects a new Chief Minister. However, following the former Chief Minister's submission of his resignation to the governor at Raj Bhavan upon returning from New Delhi on February 9, there has been no definitive consensus among the current BJP MLAs regarding the selection of a new legislative party leader who will subsequently assume the role of Chief Minister.
Sir, you have been meeting with Sambit Patra, sir. Any updates, sir? Any updates on formation of government, sir?
Who will be the next CM, sir?
So who will be next CM?
No, we don't discuss for the CM.
Sir, when will be the next government form?
We just discuss to bring back the peace only.
Okay.
Going on. It is for the betterment of everyone.
We understand it, but when will the result
time will come and everyone.
Because tomorrow.
So what is the stand? Sir, what is the stand of NPF, sir? So what is the stand of NPF, sir, right now?
Our stand is always the same.
आज कुछ तो बता दो सर.
Nothing to be said. I just wanted to meet him because he's our in charge. That's all. That is not my relevance. I don't have to comment on that because I don't have the authority to say like that. But I think Centre will decide everything. Whatever Centre says, we'll abide by that command and instruction. That's all. I think the High Command will decide everything. We have to write the instruction. That is up to them to decide. The things to be done. We requested him to try to maximum to return the normalcy in Manipur. That's all we requested him because he's in charge of our Manipur state unit. And we told him, we request him and we appeal him from the center side, please try to find a way or to return normalcy in Manipur.
CM ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯥꯖꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ
It's just a courtesy call, nothing. It's just a courtesy call.
NPF.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has said that the people of Manipur will not accept imposition of president's rule in Manipur while mooting for an elected government. Speaking to reporters at his official quarter located at Babuparam, the CLP leader further criticized the union government for allegedly advising Manipur Chief Minister to resign from his post when the Manipur Legislative Assembly session was about to begin. Decrying that this act is akin to undermining the people of Manipur, Ibobi maintained that the union government can ask the Chief Minister to resign at least 10 days earlier from the day when assembly session was to be held if they desire so. Further saying that the political situation in Manipur is not actually a constitutional crisis, the CLP leader described the new political development created by a union government's attitude of thinking to do whatever they want. Ibobi then urged the central government and BJP leaders to sincerely try to resolve the prolonged crisis in Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯐꯝ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯂꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯊꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯗꯅ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ any government yengi miyengse sida nahala ma region tawga same night ngarang nahan nungdam da anong leader du wasan bi yaina adu session dum chatha bi yaina adu tawidra da hujik pawa hanging ne thamaga ada delhi da lao mo hai sida mu tawna kari ro khoi jibo yamna phamna karamba moda moigi miyeng sidi yamna laiba thiba is extremely sorry मोइना दोम डिले तौर साना थमग ए याद यादरगा बिहार हता थमजल लोरेगा ने हता सिफाई थाजलगा हता नंगहाइरे लोरेगा तौरप तारगदी सुगुंब मोंगसे कोई पार्टी की येंग लेब ngmoye कोई
Rajya Sabha MP Sana Jauba Leshemba today urged the government to ensure proper implementation of the Manipur merger agreement of 1949. Speaking in the upper house of parliament, MP Sana Jauba maintained that Manipur was once a sovereign nation with long history and civilization of more than 5,000 years. But Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for last many decades, previous governments never tried to honor this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of Manipuris. The MP also quoted the last paragraph of Article 8 of the agreement, which stated that the government of India shall undertake to make suitable provisions for employment of Manipuris in various branches of public services and to preserve laws, customs, convention prevailing in Manipur that concern the socio-economic religious life of people in Manipur. Speaking further, MP Sana Jauba urged Centre to make necessary provisions to uplift socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuri people.
Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris. Particularly, the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It reads as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or set in this regard. So I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come. Thank you, sir.
Thanga Apunba Maira Paibilup today locked down Thanga Primary Health Center located at Kabrang Chingjeng Thanga under Thanga Assembly constituency in Bishnupur district, protesting against lack of doctors in the health center. Thanga Apunba Maira Paibilup highlighted that the health center was locked down as local residents faced difficulties due to the relevant authority failing to send a doctor despite repeated appeals made by the residents. Speaking to media, one of the protesters said that the primary health center lacked doctors, while highlighting that out of the 6 doctors stationed at the health center, 3 of them left to pursue PG course. She added that the contractual Dr. K.H. Bikram has been performing his duty whole day across 10 relief camps, which are open at Thanga Assembly constituency every day. The protester further stated that the local residents are facing difficulties as only 2 doctors perform duty 24/7 at the health center. She added that the health center was locked down as a district CMO and medical directorate failed to send additional doctors despite repeated appeals by the residents.
Primary health center ki doctor award pasi matam kaya ki mamang de ki mari leina ba authority kaya da koi darkar oi basi jang thaduna kaya ra hana haijakre adubu masi phawboda masi ki positive response amta pibi raktabana maram moleduna Thanga Apunba Maira Paibina masi dagi primary health center Thanga ki hospital asi koi thonglon chinjai.
Senior journalist and former member of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Yambem Laba has clarified on alleged portrayal of Bambi-led UNLF in a bad light. Speaking to reporters at a location in Imphal West, Yambem Laba maintained that he had described Bambi-led UNLF as a surrender group. He had made a mistake of using the word surrender, as the group is currently under ceasefire with Indian government with the aim to initiate political dialogue for self-determination of Manipur. Laba also maintained and mentioned that he had also made a false statement related to an incident of abducting 2 Meitei youths by Kuki militants on October 2nd last year.
United National Liberation Front under Bharat Sarkar ga ceasefire tawraga BJP naraga awang thakta ningtamasi political dialogue amada purakna bahona riba nuleku aina marang han khuttangatpa surrender group haina haibadu ai aranbani ai soibani adu ai withdraw tawjare nale haijari mayam da yumda pamusung manipur mayam aduga marang han aina TV discussion amada hauki bachai october kitang anida kangpopida soidana pharu mate anega Kuki Trama to Amazon Mark Hawkip Yauna, Senagadra Hena Irugaduda, Ngang the Facebook post to look to Uwena Naki, Bakulai by the Singadu, Makoina, Equa, Unit, Pambani, Hiram Revelate, and what I know some hard, none of them high people, whether the Matanas Ailan Hazard. Mistake Nimadu, mistake Adu Mapi when Hazard. Aduga, I know Mok Makatana, mind to the sword report for the discussion curriculum, the Yazara, city out.
Let's take a short break for now. Stay tuned for more news. And welcome back. Manipur Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar urged the public to remain calm and not fall prey to unverified news, rumors or misinformation that may cause unnecessary panic or disrupt peace and harmony in the state. In a press release, Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar highlighted that recently some misleading information has been circulated through various channels, causing confusion and unrest. He added that certain unscrupulous individuals and groups may deliberately attempt to incite unrest, disrupt harmony and spread fear among the public by using false information, inflammatory content or fabricated narratives, while advising the public not to give heed to such misinformation or incitement. He further informed that the government has set up a control room where citizens can verify any news or information they come across and that the public can reach out at mobile number 9485280419, which will operate 24/7. Prashant Kumar also urged community leaders, CSOs, student organizations and the citizens to come together to foster unity and work towards rebuilding trust amongst all communities. District Administration Technopal and National Informatics Center NIC Technopal District Unit jointly organized one-day district-level awareness workshop on a theme Together for a Better Internet at Kangshim Village Community Hall under Machi Subdivision, Technopal. Speaking at the awareness program, which was held in connection with Safer Internet Day, SP Technopal Rahul Gupta appealed all not to share or forward any WhatsApp messages without verifying, while cautioning that sharing misinformation can mislead the public and cause many unwanted incidences. Security force arrested 5 individuals and apprehended 1 juvenile belonging to proscribed KCP Taibang Nganba group along with arms and ammunition from El Mino Ridge Line in Technopal district on February 9th. The arrested individuals are RK Ingo, age 42, Oinam Herojit, age 28, Salam Sushil, age 23, Hijam Mani Maitei, aged 31, and Samjit Sabam Mani Sana Maitei, age 43. The security team also seized 1 7.62 mm LMG rifle, 1 7.62 mm SLR rifle, 2 5.56 mm INSAS rifles, 1 7.62 mm AK-47 rifle, 5 7.62 mm LMG magazines, 2 7.62 mm SLR magazines, 5 5.56 mm INSAS LMG magazine, 2 7.62 mm AK-47 magazine, 1 passive night sight, 90-60 rounds of assorted ammunitions of 7.62 mm SLR, 268 rounds of 7.62 mm LMG, 206 rounds of 5.56 mm INSAS, 73 rounds of 7.62 mm AK ammunitions, 6 bulletproof jackets, 8 bulletproof plates and 7 mobile phones. The seized items along with arrested persons have been handed over to relevant police station. A team of combined security force today seized a large numbers of cough syrups and tablets stored illegally at Lilong Haureibi Turel Ahanbi under Lilong police station in Taubal district. According to a police source, the contraband items, which include 27 codeine, phosphate and triprolidine HCl cough syrup bottles and 3 stripes of illegal tablets were seized when the security force searched at the residence of one Hafizuddin, 39, son of Maulana Zamiruddin, located at Lilong Haureibi, Turel Ahanbi. Hafizuddin has been handed over to Lilong police station and a case has been registered in this connection. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Imphal state's maximum temperature was recorded at 23.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 35% in the evening. And now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. The search for new Chief Minister of Manipur continues as BJP MLAs huddle for a meeting with BJP Northeast coordinators Sambit Patra at Imphal. CLP leader Okrami Bobi accuses centre of humiliating Manipur and its people by removing Chief Minister just ahead of Assembly session. Rajya Sabha MP Sanaja Walleshemba demands centre to make necessary provision to uplift socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuri people through proper implementation of Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. And Irate local locked down Tanga Primary Health Center protesting against lack of doctors in the health center. That's all we have for now. Wishing you a great year ahead and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.